Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo. On the right corner, in it, choose Settings, Family and their parental controls. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls. And now we can change it from page 3 to maybe allow all include underrated, configure, got it and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!